right, guys, so today is hopefully the day that I put the floor in on my van. I kept the disgusting carpet that got me sick. I'm gonna wear a mask around it, but it's been outside drying for days now, so I feel like it's okay, but I'm not gonna take any chances. We're gonna wear masks, and my sister's gonna be helping me today, so hopefully this will be a speedy process. We will see though. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so we're about to put in the floor. My sister right here is gonna be helping me today. All I do is...
I went like this.
No, you went...
I did.
She's not wearing her mask. And the glue is really toxic.
Wait, don't put that on there. Cause they're not gonna come for me.
They will. All right, guys, the Reflectix is all in, so now it's time to move to the sawing. My sister wants to saw the first piece.
Okay, I was not expecting that.
All right. First piece in right now. I made these little holes, if y'all can see right here, to let the water drain in when it rains, so the rain doesn't come inside. I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger. I bought some more drill bits, so I'll make them a little bit bigger. So I'm just trying to waterproof this entire thing. Tomorrow I'm gonna add some more stripping along the outside of like the door or the inside. So I'm just gonna try to waterproof this as much as I can, because once I do all this, I do not want this to be ruined by water. So I'm also going to go into town after we put the floor in. I'm gonna take it back out, go into town and get some waterproofing spray to spray the wood with that. So hopefully, you know, we don't have an issue with that. And I'll do a couple coats today and then a couple coats tomorrow, just to make sure, you know, we've got the best we can do. All right, so I got the floor in. Honestly, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I'm about to go into town, get some waterproofing spray, and do a few coats over it. It's actually about to rain, which is kind of annoying because I haven't been able to proof it yet. I didn't know it was gonna rain today, which is totally my fault, but still. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm gonna take the seats out, take that carpet out, replace the carpet. So yeah. Off to the store. So the closest store was only like 20 minutes away. They didn't have what I needed, the waterproofing stuff. They didn't have anything in that category. They said that they're not gonna have any until tomorrow. So I'm driving like 15 minutes more into the next town over to get some waterproofing stuff for the wood. All right, so I just got some waterproofing spray, and as you saw, I got that drill, and I drilled a hole in the van. Well, it was already a small hole that I put in there a while ago. I made it bigger, so hopefully it'll keep water from rushing into the floor of the van. We will see. I'm about to go get some food, and I will see you guys in the morning because I'm exhausted and it's about to start getting dark, and I have a 45-minute drive back to my sister's property. So, see you next time. All right, good morning, guys. So I got home last night around 8 o'clock, and I went straight to bed because I was exhausted. So today we are going to take out the 2 front seats, rip out that carpet, which is disgusting. I'll definitely be wearing my mask. Rip that carpet out, and we're gonna replace it with the carpet that I bought from Home Depot. I'm gonna also put a layer of Reflectix down as well, just so, you know, we're not getting too much heat coming up. So yeah, let's get started. But first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this wood back out and spray it with this Thompson water seal. It's supposed to waterproof it. Clear multi-surface waterproofer, prevents water damage. So yeah, we're gonna spray it with this. I was planning on putting this episode out Thursday because I'm actually trying to iron out what my schedule is gonna be for YouTube. I need to make a concrete schedule. I think it's gonna be something like Thursdays at noon and Sundays 10, and that's Eastern time. But this week I'm gonna have to drop this episode a day late because this says to apply 1 coat, and if you're gonna apply a second coat, which I think I really should, it says to wait 24 hours. So I was gonna drop this episode tomorrow on Thursday, but I think I'm gonna wait the extra 24 hours to add the extra coat, just to, you know, make sure it's as waterproofed as I can get it. That's the old floor. Just took it all out. Got both seats in. Oh man. Okay. I think that's about it for today. So it's looking like it might rain. Before it does, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Permatex and some stripping to the floors to hopefully waterproof them before it rains. Hopefully that will help, because I did not do all this work just for it to get rained on. So the wood is waterproofing. I drilled extra holes in the edge right there to let water drain out. Now I'm about to hit it with the Permatex, and yeah, hopefully that'll do the trick. Hey, where are you? Who are you? Oh, no, don't go in my face. Don't go in there. So my phone died, but I added some extra waterproof weather stripping up here, and down below I added some pieces there, and the Permatex all around. It's still drying. Hopefully it will waterproof. My phone's about to die again, I need to go charge it. So I'm going to see you guys in the morning, where hopefully all we gotta do is put in the tile and we'll be done. So see you in the morning. What is up, guys? Welcome to day 3 of the floor build for my 1999 Astra van. If you guys have made it this far, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It really does help the channel, helps us get to more viewers. So today we are going to be putting in this beautiful textured tile. This stuff is actually really nice. I didn't know it was gonna have like a wood grain texture to it, but it does, and it just looks like pure quality, and I'm so excited to put this in here. It rained last night, like right when I got done waterproofing the van. It rained all night, so I just checked the van. It looks dry, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So there's no wetness under there at all. It's all dry. There was some water pulled up right there, but if any did go back there, hopefully it fell through that hole. Yeah, so far so good. So last step, we're just gonna go ahead and throw the tile in there and call it a day. I was gonna wood glue right there, that seam. I still might do that, but yeah, let's add the tile and call it a day. So I put the first sheet down there and it's not sticking at all. It's sticking like around the sides back here, over here a little bit, but in the front it's not sticking at all. So yeah, the tile is not sticking to the plywood. From what Google told me, it needs the plywood might be too rough, so it told me I should get some sandpaper and sand the plywood down, and then add like a primer or a varnish on top. So I'm going to Ace Hardware to get sandpaper and some kind of like primer or a varnish or something like that. I thought I'd be done by now. I thought all I had to do was just put the tile down and it'd be like an easy thing to do. But sometimes, you know, things aren't what you hope for. But I mean, hopefully this just goes well after this. I don't mind going back down there as long as at the end of the day the tile is in there and it's in there snug. So yeah, off to Ace Hardware. I'm going to sand the wood down first with my sanders, and then add this polyurethane triple coat. It's supposed to be like 3 layers in one, so it says it only needs 1 coat. So I'm gonna try that out, wait for it to dry, and then at least try one of the vinyl sheets to see if it sticks. Hopefully it'll stick and we can do the rest and get out of here. Hopefully that's all I need. So I'm gonna give it like however long it takes to dry, 30 minutes or longer, hopefully not longer, but hopefully we're good and the vinyl will stick after this. So I laid the polyurethane down. I'm about to head back to my sister's. It takes an hour to be dry, but it says best results if you leave it overnight. So I think I'm just gonna wait a few hours, if not overnight, and get back to it. So right now I'm in the Hardee's parking lot, well, drive-thru, about to get some food. So yeah, see you guys in a minute. What is up, guys? It is the 5th, I think it's the 5th, and hopefully final day. I stuck the first piece. It's fitting pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the tile down, and then I'm gonna rush into town, edit this video, and get it posted for you guys today, which is Friday. This took way longer than I was expecting it to, but hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let's put the towel in. Let's get to work. This has been a journey. Thank you guys for being here and taking this journey with me, because this would have drove me crazy if I if I had to do this completely by myself, not with anyone else, knowing that like this would just be like no one would watch this. This would have drove me crazy. This took 5 days because there was always something wrong. I had to go back to the store and back here, and then it would rain, so I'd have to stop or it would get dark, and then it would rain. But we are here. We're at the last few steps. Let's go ahead and put this in. Yes. All right, guys. 5 days, 300 miles, 2 blistered kneecaps later, I finished the floor. Without further ado, this is gorgeous. It has such a nice textured feel to it. It feels like real wood. Look at that. Oh man, I got all the corners. I got every part. Wow, thank you guys for joining me on this journey. This has been kind of hectic, but we made it. We got through to the other side, and we have a beautiful floor to show for it. So, if you watched to this point, please hit that subscribe button, press like, leave a comment, share your feelings. And definitely you want to subscribe, because one of the next, if not the next video, but very, very soon, I'm going to be doing a updated van tour. So please be on the lookout for that. It's coming very soon. Might be the next video. Who knows? But it's coming very soon. We got the floor in. Van tour is coming soon. See you on the next one. Peace, astronauts.
Break me like tectonic lines, set adrift and make me all brand new.